Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gia and this video is going to be all about reviewing my ALLYN tote bag that I recently purchased. If you missed the video that I unboxed it and kind of showed it off when it was brand new, I'll leave a link to it down below for you guys to check it out. This video is going to be just a review on how it's been with me having this bag. I've had this bag since I believe July, so it's been a few months since I've purchased and I've been using it, and I have not switched this bag for anything else since I started using it because I'm just that obsessed with it. So if you're interested in seeing a little what's in my work bag and also a review on how I feel about using this bag every single day for work, then just keep on watching. First things first, this bag currently, I know it seems like very large. Basically, this bag is currently at the stage of like the max capacity of what I put inside. It definitely can get more, but it's a little heavy, mostly because my items are very heavy inside of it. Basically, right now I have the closure on to keep it with this shape, even though it's large. A lot of times when I have a lot of stuff in it, I actually keep it like undone and then just keep it as a big tote, is mostly because of my lunch bag. So I have this little bag that I use every single day for lunch, to bring my lunch in it. And this basically takes up most of the room. On the days where I don't bring a lunch, then I don't need to keep it in there, and then there's more room inside. Okay, so after I get rid of that, which honestly it fits very nicely, I don't have to carry like a separate bag for my lunch. It fits in my bag and I just carry one bag and it's great. So next that's in my bag that I find really helpful is I always carry water with me, and I have it inside the holder for your water bottle, which is very useful. Sometimes for like other bags, when you put your water inside, if you move things around, then the water can like knock over, and like there's just so many things can go wrong. Next, in this bigger slot, in the laptop slot, I keep my laptop, and I have it in another case because I don't have like a hard shell for it. This is where I keep my laptop. My laptop's fairly thin and lightweight, so keeping it with me doesn't cause too much weight for my bag anyway. Okay, so then next in the other slot it has in this area, I keep my notebook, my bullet journal that I basically keep track of my schedule, all the thoughts that go through my head, everything, like my budget. And I kind of wanted to do another video on how I bullet journal and how I got into it. I think this is just great for those who feel like restricted by the planners you see nowadays, and you feel like the layouts that are provided aren't doing enough for you. Like, you can create your layout, and I think that works really well for people who like need more control in that way. But that's like a completely different other video. So, but just wanted to let you guys know I keep that in there, and I also keep my pencil case. It has like a Halloween kind of theme to it, even though it's over now. But yeah, I keep my pencil case and my notebook together in this little slot. In the pocket over here, I keep my headphones, and I love having this pocket here because I feel like your headphones get lost in your bag so easily. Like this, I never have to think about it. I just literally reach into this pocket and bam, it's there. In the center for like the actual bag that doesn't have its own, pockets for, I just keep two things, which is my wallet and this kind of bag that I've created. I created a little bag of like random things I might need in my day. I don't know, I'm very like need to be prepared for anything kind of person. So like I have tissues in here, oil absorbing sheets, hand lotion, lint roller, band-aids, and then last but not least, I have this like little mini fan. If anyone saw my previous video, I filmed it a while ago, but it's still on my channel. Like from last year in my summer haul, I mentioned getting this mini fan from some like random store at the mall, and it's still like my favorite thing ever. So that all goes in this little bag. And then also we have the key holder. This is one of my favorite things about this bag, and one of the reasons why I don't want to like not use the bag, even though this part, which actually is really cool and great, can detach. So this can actually be used for like within other bags that you have, which I haven't done yet, but I do want to whenever I switch out my bags. And if I use another bag that doesn't have one of these, like I can use this for that, which is amazing because this is so useful. Like I had times where I previously would just be like hunting through my bag for my keys, and it's cold outside or it's raining and I have like a zillion things in my hand, and I'm just not like, I'm just exhausted, like taking everything out of my bag to find it. I know we all have been there, and I no longer am there because my keys are just right here available. I love it. It's basically how I feel about everything in my bag. I never not know where something is. I never spend time searching for things or feeling frustrated that I can't find something or feeling like I misplaced something, because if it's not in its spot, then I either forgot to put it back into the bag or that's just it. Like it's literally like I just forgot to put it in the bag because it's supposed to be there. Then in the little compartments on the side, I have a pair of sunglasses. I always keep sunnies with me just because, you know, I mean, even in the winter, it's still bright outside. So I always have shades with me, and I just switch them out depending on like my outfit and my mood for the day. So today I just had like these. And then on this slot, I have my card to swipe into the building that I work in. This little area, I keep perfume on this one. And I also keep Tide to Go, which is also running out. I need to replace, but I keep Tide to Go in that slot. So both those things I have with me. And then in this little compartment here, I have my portable battery. I don't know if you guys noticed in this haul, but I keep so many things on me for like emergency or like I might need this. And I use everything basically at some point. So I don't really feel regrets for having so many things in my bag, but that's just how I am as a person. So I have my portable charger, and then like the charger for that charger and my cord. I have like a mini one that I keep, so it's less stuff going on in this little area. So that's in this little pocket, and then I also have hand sanitizer that I keep there. And then for this big zipper, I don't have anything in this right now, but occasionally I use this for whenever I sleep over at my boyfriend's place. I have things like at his place, like clothes and items, so I just keep it there. But then sometimes if I want to switch out an outfit or have other things I like want to bring and like replace, clothing wise, I kind of keep it in this little zipper, which is helpful because then I can, you know, keep them out of the way and separate from everything else. It's kind of like hidden in its own pocket, and it's very big, this pocket too. So, you know, if I need to use it, I can, and it's still separate from everything else. And then over here, I have the slot in the back. So I keep my phone in here. So basically I always have, you know, easy access to my phone. So before I forget, it comes with this little bag. There's a bigger one for the entire bag to keep this like safe when you're not using it. I haven't put it to use yet because I have yet to stop using this bag. But for this one, I use for shoes, and that also can fit like with my lunch bag and with everything else inside. This goes in it too. Honestly, although I have a lot of things in here and it can be like a little heavy, I never feel like this is not secure. I know with a lot of other like bags, I see they have like a very thin strap here, and I also have like another bag it's good quality like everywhere else, but the straps are super thin, and every time I use it and have a lot of stuff in it, I feel like it's gonna break or something's gonna happen. And then I feel like I can't use it for all my stuff because, you know, it's not gonna be secure. This bag I have been using every single day since July, and it's now like November, and it still looks like as if I got this the other day. Like there is no wear on this. Like it's literally in perfect condition, and I use this all the time. I don't even think about like being very like delicate with it. It's just a really well made bag. I don't think I mentioned this in my previous video. I think I said it in the comments, but this is the large size of the Allen tote. Funny, I actually didn't realize there was multiple sizes to it. That's like, I just went into the store and I found this one, and this one was just the one I wanted, like the perfect size to me. Like I didn't even realize the other options. I saw them online, the medium size and a smaller version. They look the same, they just get, you know, smaller. I personally think this is still the best size for me, just because as you see, like I carry a lot of stuff with me. But if you're someone who doesn't carry like as much as I you, you could definitely like downsize and get something that's more comfortable for you. But the bag itself, I love it. I think it's great. The rose gold details of this is like one of my favorite parts to it. And like I said before in my other video, the color goes with everything. I never want to switch it out because it's like this will match my outfit no matter what. I'm trying like very hard to convince myself to like stop using this bag for a second and use another bag I have, because all my other bags are being neglected right now. And I had another bag I purchased not that long ago, and I have not used it since I bought this bag. So that's how I feel about it. I am very excited. I can talk about this bag all day long, but I'm sure you've heard enough. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever that I have just not covered in this video, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as possible. I check my channel fairly quickly, mostly because I watch so many YouTube videos when I'm not filming. So I'll definitely reply to your questions if you leave them below. And also just like let me know if you like this video, if you enjoy me reviewing things. I'm thinking about doing other kinds of reviews of things I'm purchasing lately, like different makeup items that I've purchased and kind of reviewing them. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I really appreciate when you guys like my video or subscribe. It makes me so happy because I do put a lot of effort into these videos, and this is like really exciting to make, and I want to keep making videos. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye guys.